In this video, I will show you how to factory reset Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. To factory reset Windows 11, maybe you're having some problems with your PC and you want to take it back to factory settings, or maybe you want to take it back to factory settings because you're looking to sell it or give it to a friend. Whatever the reason, the first thing you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to your taskbar, click onto the Windows Start icon, and in here you should see settings in your pinned apps. If you don't see this here, you can use the search box, type settings, and then open up settings underneath best match. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto system. Then what you want to do is scroll down until you see the option for recovery. So it's just a bit down, you can see the recovery option here. Give that a click, that's going to take you to a screen like this. And then in the recovery option section, you're going to see an option to reset this PC. So what you want to do is click the reset PC button. That's going to open a window like this where you've got two options. What you can do is keep your files or remove everything. So if you want to keep your personal files, you would select this option, and that's going to reinstall Windows. It's going to remove all your apps and settings, but reinstall Windows, but you'll still have your personal files. However, if you want to completely factory reset your Windows 11 PC or laptop, you want to select the option to remove everything. So it's just going to take a minute or two now, then it's going to ask how you would like to reinstall Windows. From here, I would recommend going for a local reinstall. That's going to reinstall the Windows from the partition drive on your device. Give that a click, and then it's going to give you a quick summary of what's going to happen. Click next, then it's just going to take a minute or two to get everything ready to go. Once that's done, you're going to get a screen like this saying ready to reset this PC. As you can see, that resetting is going to apply all these changes. So it's basically going to remove everything and reinstall Windows from this device and take it right back to factory settings. Now, this does take a while and sometimes your PC will restart. So if you are on a laptop, make sure you are plugged in and you're not just running off the battery. And all you need to do is click the reset button, and that's going to go ahead and factory reset your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So that is how to factory reset Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.